Defining what is right and wrong in ethics is a complex task that involves considering various perspectives, moral frameworks, and cultural norms. While there may not always be a clear-cut answer, ethical principles provide guidance in evaluating actions and determining their moral status. Let's explore a few examples to illustrate how ethics helps define right and wrong. 1. Example: lying. Consider a situation where a person is faced with the decision to lie or tell the truth to protect someone's feelings. Ethical perspectives vary in their evaluation of lying. From a consequentialist standpoint, lying might be deemed wrong if it leads to negative outcomes or breaches trust. Deontological ethics, on the other hand, might argue that lying is inherently wrong due to the violation of a moral duty to tell the truth. This example shows how different ethical frameworks can lead to different evaluations of the moral status of lying. 2. Example: stealing. Stealing is generally considered morally wrong across many ethical perspectives. It violates principles of property rights, fairness, and honesty. From a deontological perspective, stealing goes against the moral duty to respect others' rights. Consequentialist theories also typically consider stealing wrong, as it can harm others and disrupt social harmony. 3. Example: assisted suicide. The ethical evaluation of assisted suicide is a contentious issue. Some ethical perspectives emphasize the importance of autonomy and individual rights, arguing that individuals should have the right to choose when to end their lives under certain circumstances. Others focus on the sanctity of life and argue that intentionally causing death is morally wrong. The evaluation of assisted suicide depends on the ethical framework and principles applied, illustrating the diversity of ethical perspectives in defining right and wrong in complex moral dilemmas. 4. Example: environmental responsibility. Ethics also extends to our relationship with the environment. Actions such as pollution, deforestation, and unsustainable resource consumption raise ethical concerns. Environmental ethics emphasizes the responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations. Such actions might be considered wrong from an ecological or consequentialist perspective, as they harm ecosystems and pose threats to human well-being. These examples demonstrate how ethical principles and frameworks are used to define right and wrong. Ethica.